Hey out there, I'm Mr. Leon, a teacher for Missouri Public Schools. So, question for you. How many of you have had a hard time getting your students to even just pay attention to math or pay attention or stay focused on multiplication tables? Sometimes that seems like a chore for the parent and it's a chore for the child. How many of you had knockdown, drag out fights in trying to get your student or your child to actually do multiplication tables? And then you got to a point where you're like, look, I give up. I don't know what else to do. Well, you're not by yourself. There's many of us out there that are having a hard time with multiplication tables, getting them to learn them. Well, I offer you this. It's my new book. It's called Multiply Your Mastery. It's at Barnes & Noble's online. You can pick it up if you go online to Barnes & Noble's and punch in Multiply Your Mastery by Leon Johnson. It gives you insight. It gives you the ability to understand that your student is not having a hard time because he can't focus. He's having a hard, or she's having a hard time because they're not interesting. Things are not interesting to them. This book gets them interested. So I challenge you, please get your students this book. Go through it yourself. Maybe you didn't have a good time in math because you weren't able to focus. Let this book help you also. I hope this helps you get better, even in math for yourself. If you're trying to go back to college, multiplication is where to begin to help you get confidence. So again, I encourage you, go to barnesandnobles.com, pick up Multiply Your Mastery. Talk to you later.